In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ChatGPT with Microsoft Word. If you often work on documents and want to speed up writing, editing, and formatting tasks, connecting ChatGPT with Word can make your workflow much more efficient. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through a simple process that allows you to generate and refine content directly inside Microsoft Word using AI assistants. To get started, open Microsoft Word on your computer and create a new blank document. This gives you a clean workspace where all your AI-generated content will be placed. Once your document is open, make sure you're connected to the internet, since the integration relies on online AI features. Next, go to the top ribbon in Word and look for the option that allows you to access add-ins or extensions. This is where you can enhance Word with additional tools. Click on the Add-ins option to open the available marketplace for Microsoft Word extensions. In the search bar of the Add-ins store, type ChatGPT or a compatible AI writing assistant for Word. When the results appear, choose the official or trusted add-in that provides ChatGPT functionality. Open its details page so you can review its features and make sure it supports document writing and editing inside Word. Once you're ready, select the option to add it to Word. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking for permission to connect the add-in with your Word account. Approve the request so the integration can function properly inside your document. After the add-in is added, it will appear either in your toolbar or as a side panel inside Word. Open the panel to begin using ChatGPT. You will see a prompt box where you can type instructions for generating or improving text. Now you can start using ChatGPT inside your document. For example, you can ask it to write paragraphs, summarize information, improve grammar, or rewrite sections in a more professional tone. The AI will generate text that you can insert directly into your Word document with a single click. If needed, you can refine the output by giving follow-up instructions. You might ask for shorter sentences, a more formal style, or additional detail depending on your writing needs. This makes it easy to adjust your content without starting over. Once you're satisfied with the result, simply keep the generated text in your document and continue editing as needed. You can repeat the process throughout your file to build full reports, essays, or business documents with AI assistance. That's all there is to it. By integrating ChatGPT with Microsoft Word, you can significantly speed up your writing process and create more polished documents with less effort. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,